Jen?
Yes.
What is flux?
Flux is a state of change. When you change sexual partners and you're like, alright, you kind of did me. Next! Flux.
Good answer. Good answer. Cici?
Yeah.
What is flux?
Flux, I agree, is a state of change when you go from something higher to lower to lower to higher. It's
Cici?
like up and down.
Cici, what tip should be used?
I think a tip should be chosen upon what one is actually soldering. So you can have a big tip, or you can have a little tip, something small.
Okay, fair answer. Jen?
Yes.
What tip should be used?
The biggest one that is soft and like any color actually. I was gonna say pink, but really any color. As long as it's soft and big and like mushroomy.
Good answer. Jen?
Yes.
Do sorter fumes contain dangerous amounts of lead?
Hell no. That's all I have to say about that.
Okay. Cici? What do you have to say? Do sorter fumes contain dangerous amounts of lead?
If they do, yeah, it is dangerous. If not, then fair game.
Alright, good answer. Cici?
Yeah.
Why regularly clean the tip?
Because you don't want any cross-contamination.
That was a good one.
That's a pretty good answer. Jen, what do you say? Why regularly clean and tin the iron tip?
Because I don't want that bitch's pussy all up in my pussy. Because I'm like, nah, you gotta clean it. I don't care if you're up and down, but you gotta fucking clean it in between. At least do baby wipes, you know?
Good answer. I agree.
I love you, Jenny from the block.
You're good at the bands lately too. Let's get some of that going on.